Hello, my name is Umar Fayyadh. I am 8 years old. My dream is to become a chef. Why do I want to become a chef? I want to become a chef because I watch many cooking shows. I also like to cook and try to make new dishes. I also love to eat. What will I cook? I love to eat roti canai, so I would like to cook roti canai. There are many types of roti canai. For example, roti bawang, which is made with onions, roti pisang, which has banana in it, and many more. How to become a chef? Step 1, get high school diploma. Step 2, go to culinary school. Step 3, find a job working in a restaurant kitchen. Knowing how the kitchen and restaurant is important to becoming a chef. Step 4, certification. My dream restaurant. I will work at any restaurant to save money and gain experience before opening my own restaurant. What are the tools I will use? My tools are saucepan for cook, apron, and chef hat. Who will support me? My parents will be the people supporting me all the way in terms of spirit and financially. I also do hope I will work very hard to get a scholarship. This will help ease my parents' responsibility. What will I need to do? I know the journey is long and tough, but I will not give up. I will work my way up and give my very best to become a chef. Thank you.